If you give me 90 seconds, I'll explain why you need a website and how that website will make you money. You need a functional website so that when somebody Googles your service in your area near me, that you pop up in Google, and when they see you in Google, they click on your website, and when they do, they can see information about your website, and you capture every detail about them. It has a form fill so that they can fill out details and they can get service requests from you. But that's not all. We put a live interactive chat widget on there so that they can ask questions in real time. They can find out information about the services you offer. Do you do rug repairs? When can I schedule a service? How much does it cost? And every time somebody fills out information or contacts you, we capture every bit of that information. All of it goes straight to your cell phone on an app. Everything is there. Every time somebody chats with the chat widget, every time somebody fills out a form, every time somebody calls, you never miss a call with missed call text back with the chat widget. Everything is connected through one place on your phone through an app. You can even call them through the app on your phone. So you never miss a lead. You never miss an opportunity again. So now you have a functional website. You never miss leads. You never miss opportunities. But what else do you need? You need Google reviews. So then once you are done with the work and you ask that client for a Google review, we automate it so it automatically goes to your website and connects to your Google review. And then we automate the response. So it shows Google that you're a trustworthy business, you're somebody that others can do business with, and they need to work with you. It's a complete system. And here's the best part. I already built this out for you. It's only $97. All I ask is that you pay for the security, maintenance, and upkeep. No $1,000 up front, no $1,500, no $5,000 up front. $97 you pay monthly. All I ask is after 30 days when I'm showing you how it's getting you results, just like I showed you, you'll leave me a video testimonial so that I can share this with other people before I raise the price. If that sounds like something you're interested in, DM me or text me and let's get started. We can jump on a call and I can show you exactly what this would look like for you. Talk to you soon.